Okay. Hello and welcome. How are you guys doing today? I do hope everybody are doing well. If it happened this reading appears on your YouTube channel or any social media platform, this reading is meant to find you. So there will be a warning for you to receive here. So this reading is about a warning for everybody here. And as a reminder, this is collective reading, timeless reading. Just take what's yours. If not, then leave the rest to others. So please don't take everything I said here, because I know that this is not for only one person. I know this reading is for specific person that might happening right now. So this is timeless, guys. I do hope you understand what I'm talking about here. So let's find out what is this all about. The warning. Okay. Page of Wands. What else? What is this all about, the warning? This could be about your future plan, your travel. Yes. You might be feeling stuck right now. Yeah, so many, I'm getting like you are stuck for all the responsibility. Maybe people are like, it's like a group of people might against you. Ace of Wands. Wow, this is all wands, fire sign. So yes, okay, hold on, guys. All right, fire signs: Aries, Leo and Sag. Okay, it doesn't have to be, but you might be dealing on this situation. Yeah, so on the bottom is Knight of Swords. Okay, so let's find out why there's a warning about you. Yeah, so guys, as a warning, Page of Wands, Nine of Wands, and Ace of Wands here. Please be careful during your adventure, or you might be planning on going somewhere, vacation, traveling, whatever adventure that heading, wherever you guys go. Please watch out and be careful, and make sure you are aware of the weather, any weather forecast, especially if you're going up in the mountain. Yes, and be careful because it might lead you to I don't know, you might get lost. To some of you here, yeah, feeling trapped, you might get trapped. So be careful, guys, and make sure you are aware of where you're going. To some of you here, especially if you are planning on going to an adventure or traveling, make sure you have all of this information, just in case you might get lost or trapped in that situation or in the place. And to some of you, there might be like an awakening, a sudden awakening. Yeah, activation. I'm getting like an activation. It could be a psychic activation to some of you here. So, yeah, you might be feeling exhausted. So, yeah, during this activation, psychic activation or awakening, psychically, it could be to some of you here. Please, yeah, I'm getting like traveling through dreams. It could be astral, yeah, something about astral travel. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so guys, please have yourself relax, stay solitude, and this could be part of your awakening, this emotional baggage, um, feeling tired, feeling loneliness, alone. Yeah, there could be this could be part of your psychic ability, yeah, awakening to some of you here. Like again, you will be traveling. There is a travel message here, so be careful, and if you get a chance to relax, have yourself to time to relax, self-care, self-love, and understand that this could be part of your psychic awakening. Yeah, you could be exhausted, waking up in the morning, feeling tired, feeling heavy. Somehow it's like you don't feel like doing anything, and it might, to some of you, there might be like I feel like a cancellation of your plan. Yeah, there might be a plan for you to be canceled, or you have to cancel yourself for this, I don't know, invitation, event. Yeah, I'm getting like delayed. There might be a delayed. I don't know why there's like a warning about delayed. Yeah, like again, guys, don't force yourself, especially if you're tired. Yeah, it might lead you to this health issues. So yes, as a warning, if you're tired, um if you're going to this I don't know, plan, you might be going to somewhere, I think you have to stop this or cancel this plan, this adventure, because it might gonna lead you to this stagnation, or um I don't know, you might be able not be able to handle the situation. Okay, it's like, especially if somehow people might be against you, or guys, do not force yourself to hang out with people who doesn't like you, who doesn't be with you. All right, make a plan, or do something, or go with the people who likes you, who supported you. What's the point of going to any adventure, visiting someone, but then somehow these people not gonna appreciate your kindness, your love, your support? Because I'm getting like you against these people. A group of people might want to kick you out. So be careful and follow your instinct. This is the right time for you to follow your instinct. Yes, and especially at this moment, you are being activated this psychic ability from your ancestors. You are given this power to stand alone. You don't need this group of people to be with you, to listen to you. The universe is giving you an energy, a strength to stand alone without these people around you, the toxic people. It could be relationship, friendship, or work, or studies, whatever it is, guys. It's up to you. I mean, this is collective. We have all different situation here. Like again, just take what's yours here. If it doesn't suit you or resonate with your story right now, meaning this is the rest of our viewers here has been watching in this reading. Yes, to some of you, you pay attention to your dreams. There is a message from your ancestors. Let's find out what is this message from your ancestors about your dream. You might be getting an insight to some of you. Yeah, an insight, like again, a warning, an insight about a warning. So guys, don't ignore this warning through dreams, a vision. Save yourself and save your plan. Somehow I'm getting like save yourself, save your plan. And like again, guys, you don't have to be surrounded with the people who doesn't appreciate you, care for you, or want to kick you out. Go by yourself, travel alone, shopping alone, go visit alone. Like again, if it's happening that you might be going with a group of people, like you feel like you're not belong to, or you're not you feel like these people are yeah, not happy to be with you. Guys, I know you know what I'm talking about here. Very specific. Don't force yourself to be surrounded, or trying to fit in with this group of people. Like again, you can do it alone. The universe got your back. As a warning here, and as a message, a channeled message from your ancestors. Because here, success, people are cheering you up. People are admiring you. You have so many accomplishment, and that's why maybe a lot of people are jealous because of your accomplishment. You are a goal getter. You are so active, confident. Do not let this confidence to pull you down. Like again, jealousy. You are surrounded with the people are so jealous of you, wanting to be like you, want to travel with you. Like again, be selective. Be selective who you want to trust with. Be selective in a relationship, friendship. Yes, that's the main message for you here. Be selective, and like again, we have here friendship, reunite, and again, as a warning, be careful when you go out meeting with friends or or a community. I'm getting like you might be going to a community and there might be talking behind your back, or making, or they might kind of make you feel like uncomfortable. Like again, you can sense, you can feel. Like again, guys, as a reminder, this might be from the past, current, or present. I got a mixed messages here. You know who they are, and you don't have to fake your feelings or fit in with these people again. Yes, the Wheel of Fortune. The universe is giving you the power to do this alone, to control the situation. It's still up to you to make the decision. You might have decision. You might not. You might need to make a decision. It's your. It's your. It's up to you if you want to be with these people or this opportunity. I don't know, because we have here opportunity, an opportunity that something about like an opportunity could be for you, but somehow within inside you, you're not happy. Like again, it's your choice. The universe is giving you an opportunity to choose. Like again, guys, as a message here, choose what makes you happy. Choose what lead you to your success. You know, I have cards fell, yeah, fell off the floor. So I'm gonna take all of these messages because I'm sure you need this message. Shark, we have here shark, swim away from the situation. See, swim away. Especially these people are user, want you to tear you apart. You are always enough. You don't need a lot of people just to be popular. You can be popular alone. Especially on social media, you could be popular, and yes, at work you could be independent. Most of you here are independent. Like again, a lot of people admiring you, stalking you, jealousy, talking behind your back, even in a relationship. Someone might get I don't know, someone might get pregnant, and as a warning, brought to my brother and sisters here, watch out and be careful, especially when you are alone. If you love to hike, or going to I don't know, like somewhere like whenever you guys travel or going to, please be careful and make sure you bring your or your I'm sorry guys, anything that keeps you safe. Yeah. Someone might going to rape you. I don't know, a rapist or a thief. Like again, guys, stay away or put distance. This is the time for you to follow your instinct. Someone might going to chase you, bother you. Whoever this person is, as a warning, stay away and follow your instinct. Be vigilant, especially when it comes to your surroundings. I'm sorry, guys. Lighthouse, don't doubt your worth. Like again, do not doubt your worth. You are strong enough. You are capable to be able to get your plans. Because Page of Wands is all about plans, future plans. Do not discourage yourself, because the universe is giving you the strength to keep going, to achieve this goal, your plan. If you plan to travel around the world, then keep going. Do not be scared. You can do this. Yes, and starting making plans, encourage yourself to stay strong, because the universe will, it's like a wish come true to some of you here. Wish fulfillment here. A new beginning. This is the, maybe, especially if you are in a toxic relationship or toxic situation, it's time to swim away. Get out. Get away from this situation. Because the universe is giving you an opportunity to stay away from this situation. A work, an environment, friendship, relationship. Yes, this is the right time for you guys, a right moment for you to make a plan to swim away or stay away from this situation, unhappiness, burdens. Protest. Start a revolution. Yes, start a revolution, guys. If there's something that you're not happy, speak up. Share your knowledge, share your thought. If you're not, whatever makes you anger, not happy about it, say something. Because the universe is giving you this energy to, like again, strength. Do not be afraid. Do not be feeling enough. I mean, not enough. Yeah. Okay, so we have here another one here. Villain. Okay, you can always rewrite the story. Like again, guys, lately, we have the Wheel of Fortune. You are the driver of this lifetime. Yes, do not let anybody to destroy your dreams, your plan, because someone might going to destroy or discourage you. Yes, change that pattern. This is an opportunity for you to change the pattern. Make up, protest, stay away, and make a plan. Yeah, I'm getting like a changes. There will be a huge impact here, a changes for you. It's time, guys, to stay away from this toxic pattern, or to some of you here might be overthinking. Yeah, feeling tired, exhausted. If you're not happy to your situation right now, especially if related to work, maybe it's time for you to change another work. It's not that place, whatever you are in right now, there's another more better than that. Like again, make a plan, because the universe giving you this opportunity that this plan will happening. It's coming true. You need to break the pattern. Yes. And all right, here, gray, ending are inevitable. Yes. There will be an ending. It's time to end this toxic friends, relationship, work, or feeling like not confident. Guys, here the universe is giving you this confident, to boost your confidence more. You becoming more success. Think about the future. Imagine yourself with the future changes. The universe is encouraging you to think the future with positivity. Do not discourage yourself with this plan that is not gonna happen. No. It's gonna happen. The Wheel of Fortune is gonna happen. It's time. An opportunity is opening for you. It's still up to you. What's the point of giving you an opportunity if you're not doing anything? You are blocking. Yeah, you are blocking this new beginning, the power, the wish fulfillment, or the wish that the universe is, or magic, no? Yeah, the magic that the universe is giving you. Like again, whatever you are desiring right now, wish. There will be, if you guys see this, there's a lightning. Just in one magic, it's happening. Someone is going to pick you up, helping you. Like again, opportunity. The next thing you know, in the morning, you will be receiving a good news. Travel, an opportunity, relocation. And to some of you, you need to stop overthinking, discouraging yourself, whatever plan you're having right now in the future. Break this pattern. Break this silence. Speak up. You have this opportunity to break this cycle. Again, as a warning, watch out, and make sure you have this plan, and so that way you don't get lost or stuck into situation or a place, or a stalker or somebody might going to, I don't know, harm you. Please be careful, especially if you're traveling alone. That will be one of your warnings here. So let's get a yes or no before this reading ends. Like again, guys, as a reminder, before you guys going to somewhere, like you say, up in the mountain, make sure you check the weather and the information. Okay, that would be a warning to some of you here. All right. So be vigilant. So guys, ask any question and the answer will be yes or no from the universe. Pause the reading and ask any question. The answer will be yes or no. All right, you guys ready? All right, Spirit Guide Angels, yes or no? So yes, budgeting. Yes, holding on to people, positions, issues, deep-seated past issues, hoarding, stingness, control, possessiveness, financial stability, financial security. Whatever you are manifesting, yes, you will be feeling balanced and secured. To some of you here, I'm also getting like you'll be getting like a new beginning about opportunity of work. You might be waiting onto something, and again, there will be traveling and information. Yes, yeah, you'll be feeling stable when it comes to your finances. So stop worrying too much, worrying about your finances, worrying about the, I don't know, relationship, pregnancy, friendship. Think about the bright future. Yes, and we have here number 38, 37, 35, 28. This might be you or a person that you are dealing in the future or currently. And yes, fire sign. Yeah, we most likely we have fire sign and earth sign. I'm getting like earth sign and air sign. Yeah, to some of you here. Okay, and at the bottom, yes, number 17, the star. Yes, hope, inspiration, creativity, calm, contentment, renewal, serenity, spirituality. Like again, guys, there will be spirituality awakening to some of you, healing, positivity, faith, renewal, healing, rejuvenation. So yes, to some of you, you might need to rejuvenate, healing, and calm, be calm. And if you want to, if you are tired, and like again, guys, if you wake up in the morning, you are still tired, you might be like more on solitude. This might be part of your spiritual awakening and psychic awakening to some of you. So pay attention to some of your dreams, because the universe or your ancestors might sending you an information, yeah, or a sign. So that's it for today to all of my brothers and sisters. And thank you guys. I do hope to see you on my next reading, and I do hope you guys enjoy this reading. And yes, take care, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.